Hello, this video explains how to install the InFaith app via APK file on your Android phone. Before you can install an APK file through Chrome or any other app, you should give that app permission. Get to Settings app, tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap Special Access or Special App Access on some Android devices. Tap Install Unknown Apps. Tap Chrome or whichever web browser you use. Switch the toggle next to Allow from this source so it turns on. The next step will be actual installation. Go to Chrome and type in InFaithApp.com, the official InFaith app website. On the home page, you will find the APK file. Simply tap the download option like you download any file, except any prompts you might see. For example, tap Download Anyway or OK. Once the APK is downloaded to your device, it's time to install the app. In Chrome, open Downloads to see the file. You can also use a file manager if you prefer to install apps that way. Tap the file name followed by Install. After a few moments, the app will be fully installed and show up next to all your other apps. May God bless you, and we will see you in the InFaith app.